तर्जुमान दफ्तर ख़ारजा मुमताज़ ज़हरा बलोच इस वक्त गुफ्तगू कर रही हैं। आज के इंसिडेंट के हवाले से आपको सुनवाते हैं।
Afghanistan and West Asia, Ambassador Ahmed Naseem Waraij led the Pakistan delegation to the 6th meeting of the Moscow format consultations on Afghanistan held in Moscow on 4th of October. In the joint statement, the Moscow format countries expressed deep concern over the security situation in Afghanistan, noting the continued threat posed by terrorist and separatist groups to global and regional stability. They emphasized the need for Afghanistan to take comprehensive measures to combat terrorism and prevent its territory from being used against neighboring countries and the wider region. Pakistan strongly condemns the heinous terrorist attack near the Karachi airport last night, which claimed the lives of 2 Chinese engineers while injuring another. We extend our deepest condolences and sympathies to the families of the victims and of indiscriminate and horrifying attacks on civilian targets, including hospitals, schools, and shelters. This week, Israeli forces conducted airstrikes on Khalif northern Gaza. Engineer Khalid bin Abdulaziz Al Fateh will visit Pakistan from 9th to 11th of October 2024. The delegation comprises representatives from a wide spectrum of government agencies and private sector entities. The Saudi delegation is scheduled to meet with the President and Prime Minister of Pakistan. This visit is aimed at lending positive impetus to enhanced bilateral cooperation and mutually rewarding economic partnership. The visit comes in the follow-up of the understanding reached between Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif and Crown Prince and Prime Minister of Saudi Arabia, His Royal Highness Mohammed bin Salman, in April 2024 to enhance economic cooperation between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. Pakistan will host the 23rd meeting of the Council of the Heads of Government of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization member states from 15th to 16th of October 2024 in Islamabad. The Council of Heads of Government is the second highest decision-making body of SCO. In his capacity as the current chair of the CHG, Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif will preside over the upcoming CHG meeting. We expect high-level participations from SCO members, the observer state of Mongolia, Turkmenistan as a special guest, and representatives of international organizations, including Conference on Interaction and Confidence-Building Measures in Asia, CICA, Commonwealth of Independent States, and the European Economic Community. The CHG meeting will discuss cooperation in the fields of economy, trade, environment, socio-cultural linkages, as well as reviewing the performance of the organization. The leaders will adopt important organizational decisions to further enhance cooperation among SCO member states and approve the budget of the organization. Since becoming a member in 2017, Pakistan has worked consistently and constructively to strengthen good neighborly relations and mutually beneficial cooperation among SCO member states. Hosting of CHG by Pakistan reflects the abiding commitment of Pakistan to the purposes and principles of the SCO Charter and the values of the Shanghai Spirit. I thank you.
दफ्तर ख़ारजा के तर्जुमान मुमताज़ ज़हरा बलोच ने गुज़िश्ता रात कराची में पेश आए अफसोसनाक वाक़े पर न सिर्फ ये कि चीनी क़यादत चीनी अवाम से गहरे दुख और अफसोस का इजहार किया और उनका यह कहना था कि दहशतगर्दों को कैफ़िर किरदार तक पहुँचाया जाएगा। चीनी इंजीनियर्स पर हमला करने वाले पाकिस्तान के दोस्त नहीं हो सकते।